Archit here, and now I'm living in New Zealand and I belong to Punjab. And I just want to share my experience of online classes which Ramandeep sir provide me. Firstly, I want to thank you to you, sir. It's really useful and helpful for me. And sir give me really good reading tips like about true, false, and the heading of list and as blanks. Yeah, this really amazing tips I learned from sir.
Hello everyone, this is SIDDHARTH Sharma. I come from a city which is actually famous for its hotels, hospitals as well as sports industries, that is Jalandhar, Punjab. Here I would like to take this opportunity to share my experience on an extremely useful application, that is IELTS coaching, and especially the course IELTS Lockdown series accessible on this app. I must say this is the best application ever available for IELTS aspirants, academic as well as general. In this you will find the most useful tips, techniques and strategies for all the 4 modules: reading, writing, listening as well as speaking, given by the most experienced IELTS trainer Mr. Ramandeep Singh. Apparently, by following these tactics, IELTS would be a child's play for you. Admittedly, I have improved my speaking and writing to a great extent by following his tips. Even today I am speaking in front of you is all because of his motivation as well as encouragement. I really appreciate the course, that is IELTS Lockdown series, meticulously structured to achieve your dream bands even in this catastrophic COVID-19 situation, to make the prudent use of your time. Needless to say, very few applications and courses like this are available online. I highly recommend this course and you must purchase it to achieve your dream bands in your IELTS exam. Best of luck, guys.
I'm Amandeep Singh from New Delhi. As we all know, this is a COVID period and it is not safe to attend the classes in a regular classrooms. So we have to go something for online. During this lockdown period, I was just sitting and thinking about how can I improve my English skills, especially in IELTS examination. I was totally confused about the structure, pattern, content and how to crack it. After doing some research in these online courses, finally I choose to lockdown series. The reason is simple, guys. Here I am learning a profound content in a simple step-by-step manner at a very low cost. The speciality of this course is that the duration is 14 days. So guys, give it a shot, go for it, stay healthy, stay safe, learn at home. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Rohit and I am from Chhattisgarh. While planning for IELTS exam, I went to various websites as well as done surfing on YouTube to get the details of IELTS exam. I was a bit worried for my preparation due to this pandemic COVID-19. Then finally during my surf, I found IELTS coaching tips and tricks by Ramandeep sir, which was really very useful, and after that I plan to buy the lockdown series to get more tips. It's an amazing course from Raman sir that polishes all your skills and you can achieve your dream bands. It is a must-buy course and I will definitely recommend to everyone. Stay safe. Have a good day.
Hi, this is Sunny Bluth in front of you from JEEND, Haryana. I had taken the lockdown series on 13th of May. I was very sad and confused until I had taken the lockdown series. But when I watched the lockdown series on YouTube by Mr. Ramandeep sir, I felt very happy because all useful material of IELTS exam available on it and not more costly. I especially thanks to Mr. Ramandeep sir for giving such series on less amount. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi friends, I'm AMNINDER. I am from India. Basically, I belong to Punjab. Recently, I have done my graduation degree in Singapore. I want to do my further study in Canada. That's why I need to pass IELTS exam. Few days ago, I was surfing on internet to find some good material for IELTS preparation. Suddenly, I opened YouTube and searched about IELTS classes. I saw a lot of videos of Mr. Ramandeep Singh. I found plethora of positive reviews and good ratings on those videos. Then I decided to download this application, which is IELTS coaching. I purchased the lockdown series and I got a lot of good material of all modules. I done all the contents. It was really superb and literally I improved my reading, writing and listening, especially speaking skills. I would like to recommend this lockdown series to all my friends. It would definitely help you to achieve your target band score.
Hey guys, this is DIPAN from Rajasthan. I am here to share my experience about lockdown series. What I found in lockdown series was it's full of useful content, short and specific videos, and lastly, which is my favorite part, is a magical tips and tricks. Trust me guys, if you will purchase this course, you will learn IELTS effortlessly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Rahul. I belong from Delhi, as you all know, which is now the hub of Corona crisis. Initially, I would like to share my experience about lockdown series for IELTS preparation as well as Ramandeep sir. Finally, I was glad to post his video and tips related to the day-to-day preparation. I learned a lot of new ideas and tricks for my exam. Furthermore, I personally suggest to all of you guys, it's an amazing series for those students who wanted to achieve 7+ band on each module. Everybody must buy this.
Hello guys, my name is Amit Mehra from FARIDABAD, HARYANA. Currently I am working in Vadodara, Gujarat. Guys, I am not a YouTuber, I am not a storyteller, but I am making this video to drag your attention on one application called IELTS Coaching, which is run by Mr. Ramandeep Singh. Guys, you won't believe, before this lockdown period I couldn't even speak due to my lack of confidence. But then I was in big dilemma that should I go for coaching classes outside or I should take a help from internet like YouTube or Google. But then suddenly, unfortunately, I came about this application and came about Ramandeep sir YouTube channel. Then I started following him, and I must say people spend 5,000, 10,000 and many more for the coaching classes outside. But here you will get all the benefits in very cheap price, guys. So I must say you should not lose this opportunity. So please grab it and purchase it.
Hi, I'm GURVIR from New Delhi, and if you believe in the quotation "seeing is believing," then I'll definitely request you guys to go and check YouTube videos of Ramandeep Singh on IELTS preparation. If you really find them interesting and helpful, then definitely you can opt for the lockdown series he's offered right now at a very highly reasonable price. And moreover, he's made the WhatsApp group. After selling a product, if somebody is coming to a platform where you can have one-to-one chat with him, is itself, it shows the intention of someone. So I'll definitely recommend Ramandeep Singh, and trust me, it's really worth it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Raj and I belong to city Panipat, which is well known for its 3 battle engagements. Since I am working and it is the time period of lockdown, I tend to believe that online learning was the only convenient way for me. I come to know about the lockdown series on Amandeep sir when I was surfing from their YouTube channel for cue card ideas. I immediately decided to get subscription as I was already impressed by their teaching style, and also it was available at very fair price. I personally recommend it to all working and non-working students, as it is the most convenient and effective way of learning too.
Hello everyone, my name is PARUL and I am from PATHANKOT, which is situated in Punjab. Lockdown series which is given by respected Ramandeep sir. Well, I watched ample of videos on YouTube, but among all these videos, Ramandeep sir video are the best video. because on a random day I was surfing internet to find something that could help me on IELTS score. And I saw a video, linked tap on it, and found that useful videos which was tips and tricks by Ramandeep sir. And thank you for letting me a part of this group. And lastly, I would like to say, please buy this series if you haven't. Seriously, it is very useful video for IELTS students. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is SUDESH. I am from SRINAGAR. ये वीडियो मैं उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बना रहा हूँ जो अभी आइल्स कोचिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और जो लॉकडाउन की वजह से अपनी कोचिंग को कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो उनको मैं आइल्स कोचिंग रेकमेंड करूँगा। आइल्स कोचिंग एप्लीकेशन पे आपको आइल्स लॉकडाउन सीरीज़ अवेलेबल है। इसमें आपको अच्छा कंटेंट मिलेगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, इट विल बी फ्रूटफुल फॉर यू एंड द कंटेंट ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन इज़ वेरी गुड. And I am not advertising the application. I am just thankful to Ramandeep sir, and I appreciate their hard work for the students. And those students think that they are wasting their money on the application, then I personally recommend to those students that they are not wasting their money. They are investing their money for the bright future. And finally, I thanks to Ramandeep sir and thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is NEHA. I am from Delhi. I recently completed the lockdown series made by the Ramandeep sir. It was a great series as I learned a lot from this series. Also my score got improved not only in one module but also in every module. He is a real gem as his teaching skills are amazing. Personally, if you want to clear the IELTS exam in one go, just buy that series, or you can follow him and his videos on YouTube. You can also join the online classes. So wish you all the very best.
Hello everyone, my name is KEYUR. I am from Surat, Gujarat. I am talking about the lockdown series which is given by the Ramandeep sir, Moga city from Punjab. And this lockdown series is very useful for preparation of IELTS examination. I prefer to this lockdown series, and I also request to you all guys to buy this lockdown series and improve your target score in IELTS. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, how are you doing today? I'm Ramandeep Singh on your favorite channel, IELTS Coaching. Obviously, because of Corona, your IELTS preparation is affected. The solution is very easy. My 2 weeks short IELTS introductory course, those with a target of 6 or 6+ bands can definitely take benefit of this course. इन tutorials को day by day follow करते आप next 2 weeks में अच्छे से अपनी IELTS preparation कर पाएंगे. Those who already have an idea of IELTS but they are not getting their desired bands, it is a wonderful opportunity for them to learn with me. Join this course at a nominal charge of only. And this course would be divided in day 1, day 2, and the day you join, आप अपना day 1 मान के चलिए and day 1 के tutorials को follow करना शुरू कीजिए, and for next 2 weeks you will be learning through me and be preparing for the IELTS exam.